హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు 360 నేను వీణా సాద్రిని. బజరంగి భాయిజాన్ లో మనకి మున్ని గురించి తెలుసు, కానీ అఖండ 2 లో ఉన్న జనని గురించి మనకి తెలుసా? తెలియదు కదా, మాట్లాడదాం. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ హర్షాలి మల్హోత్రా. హలో అండి.
Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm good too. So how's you gonna be in this role, like Akhanda 2 అనే మూవీ గురించి చెప్పండి.
I'm playing the main lead with Balia sir. Janani, she's a very sweet, intelligent girl, blessed by Akhanda, and she's the main lead. Yeah, like carrying the story.
We all saw you in Bajrangi Bhaijaan as a Munni, and you struggled so much in that movie. So how much struggle you faced in this movie particularly?
In this movie, mainly my mostly challenging part was the Telugu.
Ayo.
I don't know Telugu and I'm not familiar with the language at all. So that was a little challenge I faced. But there were people to help me, and director sir helped me a lot. Bala sir also helped me. Everyone was very helping and loving on the set.
Okay. Who helped you the most, like Balaya sir or Boyapati sir, when it comes to dialogues?
Boyapati sir did. He explained me the scenes. He told me how to like act. But I mostly did it myself because acting for me comes naturally.
Yeah. We saw you.
According to the scene, I try to understand, try to relate with the character. How would she react in this situation? How would Janani react? And I try to act naturally as per her.
Oh.
Balya sir used to help me while during shots. Like if I didn't understand something, he would explain it to me quickly, and he would tell me some hand gestures that like do this. Some expressions he would tell me, and mostly Boyapati sir explained me the scene and what to do.
What was the first applause you got from the set while shooting? Ante em cheptaru?
My first day, like first shot, was a dialogue.
Okay.
Telugu dialogue.
Okay.
And
what was that? Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember the whole dialogue. Actually, I remember.
Can you say it?
No, because you will get a spoiler. I can't say that.
Okay.
Watch the movie.
Okay, fine.
That dialogue, I spoke it like very fluently actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because one day prior, I had already prepared and memorized the dialogue. So like fluently I spoke that dialogue. So that was the first shot.
Okay. So
And
you
for
got
that-
appreciation for that too.
Yes.
Yes.
Like everyone was surprised, right? That I was speaking Telugu so fluently in the shot.
Oh, everyone on the set got mesmerized with your acting as well. Yes. So how did you get this role? From who approached you the first and em cheptaru? Who approached you for this role, Janani?
Deepak and Lavanya approached me for this role first.
Okay. So for the role of Munni, your mama and dad would have heard the script and asked you to do it. When it comes to Akhanda, who asked you to do it for the role of Janani?
As in, I didn't understand actually, sorry.
For Munni role, your mom and dad must have heard the story and they asked you to do as a Munni.
Okay.
For this Janani, did you heard the story or same like mom, dad heard the story and they asked you to do it?
Yeah, we last year we came here to meet Boyapati sir for the first time.
Okay.
And then when he saw me, he was like, his behavior was like he found his Janani, and I am his Janani
Okay.
for the role. So that's how he chose me.
Okay.
But then yeah, he like explained the story a little bit, how Janani is her role, main lead with Balya sir. He explained it a little bit.
Okay. Can you explain anything about Balakrishna sir which you observe and get inspired?
He's very energetic. He's unstoppable. At first, I was very anxious and very tense that how will I act with such a senior actor, such an experienced actor. How will I do that? But then when I met him, he's such a cool, chill person. He's very down to earth also. He's very sweet, very loving. So he made me comfortable with himself, and then he, like I said, he explained me the scenes, told me some hand gestures that I can do to improve the scene, and that all.
Okay. Have you find any difference from Bollywood industry from Tollywood industry ante?
Not much difference. After all, it's Indian cinema and we all are working together to make a movie, right? Every person on the set is important on the whole process.
Okay. Did you find anything like it's hard to be here like that? Anything burden or pressure?
No,
It's all
only
good.
yeah, it's
Like
all
the
good.
weather in Nakanda too. Because most of
Acha.
the part was like Himalayas, that snowy place. Where did this shot?
But that was all studios in Hyderabad only.
Okay.
But we also shot in Prayagraj, Rajmundry, and Georgia.
Okay.
Georgia was very cold, and Sir was wearing only just a thin, like this cloth only,
Yeah.
nothing underneath, nothing, no warmer, nothing.
Oh.
And he shot it like it's just a normal weather, nothing else.
Oh. Okay.
Like
How-
it didn't
what-
it didn't affect him at all.
Okay.
In my costume, I was wearing 1 or 2 warmers only, but that was not enough. It was that cold, like
Oh my
-4,
goodness.
minus degrees.
ఓకే అంటే మైనస్ లో ఉన్నా కూడా బాలయ్య గారు ఒక స్లీవ్లెస్ ఆ గెటప్ లోనే ఉన్నారని చెప్తున్నారు. అండ్ వార్మర్ కూడా వేసుకోకుండా వర్క్ చేయడం అంటే అది డెడికేషన్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. మనకి అందరికీ తెలుసు బాలయ్య గారి గురించి. సో మీరు చెప్పండి, ఎన్ని డేస్ షూట్ చేశారు ఇదంతా? హౌ మెనీ డేస్ దిస్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ షాట్?
55 to 60 days were my working days.
ఓకే ఓకే. అండ్ డిడ్ యూ ఫైండ్ ఎనీథింగ్ లైక్ you've learned something new from Balaya Garu?
He hasn't given me such advice kind of thing, but as I said, he used to explain me the shots.
Okay.
We had a lot of fun during the shoots, during breaks.
You took so much time to enter to Telugu industry, like Bajrangi Bhaijaan, this has been like 10 years, more than 10 years, right? So what did you do while, you took the gap? Did you focus on studies, and what are you studying right now?
I'm in 12th. I will
Oh.
have my boards this year. Like 2026 will be my boards.
Okay.
And I'm studying arts. But in the 10 years, I was waiting for the right role to come, the right opportunity. Because my main focus is main lead only. I want to come with a main lead character and a proper, like a very good director and actor. Like this Akhanda 2 was the perfect opportunity for it.
It's good to know that you want to do as a main lead. What kind of roles you are looking for further?
I would like to try all the genres with different actors and different roles.
What is your dream role?
My dream role, I want to work with Sanchilila Bhansali sir.
Okay.
Because the way he portrays a woman in very queen style, I love that.
Okay.
I would love to work with him.
Okay. So now you entered Telugu industry. Have you seen any Telugu films?
Yes,
Like not the
many.
dubbed versions. The straight Telugu movie. Did you watch?
No, not the Telugu,
Version.
but I've watched Telugu films not in Telugu language
Okay.
because I don't understand Telugu. In Hindi, but I've watched many Telugu films.
Okay. What are those?
Bahubali, Pushpa. Sirs, I've watched many movies. Bhagwant Kesari, Vyasimha Reddy, Daku Maharaj, Akhanda 1, Pushpa, and Mirai, OG, many.
Okay. Usually, whichever the event, people like the fans of Balaya Garu will say Jai Balaya.
Yes.
You must have experienced it in pre-release event, right?
Yes.
How did you felt?
His fan base, his fan following is another level. He's such a legend here. He's very loved by everyone. He's a great actor and a great person.
Can you say Jai Balaya because you said you're a fan?
Jai Balaya.
Like right now, who are you want to work with in Telugu industry?
I would love to work with Allu Arjun sir, Prabhas sir, Mahesh Babu sir.
Oh, nice. So they are all now doing with the mythological subjects. You might fit in those too. And when it comes to Hyderabad, did you explore more in Hyderabad? Any place? Have you
Not much because we didn't have time during shoots, but little bit.
Okay. Have you been to Hyderabad before?
Yes. For one shoot, one ad shoot, I have been here.
What do you like most in Hyderabad?
The Hyderabadi biryani is very famous, right?
Yeah. Which biryani you had?
No, I've not had any authentic Hyderabadi biryani, just in hotel, like chicken Hyderabadi biryani, like that.
Okay. So how you're enjoying your like you must have had so much attention from the people. So you cannot go like how we go. So how you experiencing it?
As in, but I didn't get
Because
like,
you're a
in
known
public
person
places-
and you're a celebrity now, you cannot go to the streets like we all do.
Yeah.
So how much you were enjoying it, or did you feel like no, I cannot go because I have this fans, everyone will ask selfie like that. So how are you feeling about
I
it?
will be honest, I don't feel bad about it.
Oh, you
because-
feel so good.
When I go, people love me and they come up for selfies. I love that part.
Mm-hmm.
I love that part more than I can't go to the streets. More than that, I love the part when people come up to me for photos.
Acha, nice,
Like,
nice.
they love me a lot.
Okay. Do you have any combination scenes with Samyukta Menon
Yes.
and Adi Pinisetti?
With Samyukta ma'am I have, not with Adi sir.
Okay, okay. So you called Balakrishna Garu as Nana.
Yeah.
So we all know that you're a daughter of Balaya Garu, and it's a double action movie. So you're a kid to one of the character. So that we can grasp from the trailer itself.
Yeah.
So do you have anything memorable moments or which you want to say out loudly?
When this shot happened, Nana, I was like, this is Nana and Salman sir is Mama. What a like connection, right? This is Papa and that was Mama.
Okay. Okay. Ala ayindanamata.
And this Nana scene was the first shot with Balaya sir.
Okay. That lengthy one was days after it came. That lengthy dialogue you said.
This was the day after.
Okay.
Both are different.
Okay. So how much you've learned Telugu now? Do you learn
Not
any
much.
small
Not
dialogues?
much. I know just Andarki Namaskaram, Bhavanara.
Antena?
That's it.
Inkemanna, because Balaya Garu is known for his dialogues. You said you've watched Akhanda. So any dialogue from Akhanda 1?
I remember that both are not same wala. That's it, just that.
Just that.
But that is a very famous dialogue from that movie, right?
Yes. Do we have any famous dialogues like Akhanda 1 in this movie?
As in?
Both are same, that hook
Acha.
dialogues. Can we expect any dialogues like that from Balaya Garu in this movie?
Yes, of course. He's Balaya sir. Obviously, there will be some very dialogue that will go famous.
Mm-hmm.
But you will watch and find out.
Okay. We will definitely watch. Okay. Tell me about your personal interests. Like, are you learning any arts, or are you preparing for any role, or what are you preparing for?
I have been learning Kathak since the past 4 years, and belly dancing also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Kathak and belly dancing
Yes,
are
so
two different.
To have the versatility, like one is Indian classical and the other is Western.
Okay.
So that versatility should be there. Like,
So
I know both.
you're balancing from this end to this end, and you can manage anything in between.
Yes.
Is this the thought?
Yeah, because Kathak teaches you grace and belly dancing teaches you flexibility. How to move your body like that. So I chose them both.
So some heroines comes to different industries and do different movies to showcase their talent. Some shows, they want fame. Which one you want? You want a fame, or you want to excel in your performance? What is your choice?
I want to excel in my performance and show my versatility. And if I am good in my performance, fame will obviously come itself.
Yes.
People will love me.
That's a smart answer. Yes. So, who are you looking up to? Which heroine? You had to reach that point like that.
I love Madhuri ma'am's Kathak dance. She's also a Kathak dancer, right? So she moves with she moves very gracefully and very elegantly. I want to be like that too.
Okay. So, have you watched any movies like బాలయ్య గారు చెప్పారు, ఇంకా ఏమన్నా అదర్ దాన్ దీస్ మూవీస్ ఆర్ ఎనీ డైరెక్టర్, డ్రీమ్ డైరెక్టర్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ?
In Telugu, yes. Actually, Telugu, like, it's a little slow to come to mind because I'm very familiar with Bollywood and that. So Telugu, I'm not yet very familiar, but I would love to work with Rajamouli sir.
Okay, cool. That's good to hear that.
That's why I was little slow to answer. Like, I was thinking.
Okay. So how did your role make audience sit and see your performance or the presence ante em cheptaru? How does your role gonna be, make audience sit and watch you?
Janani, you're asking
Yes.
me, right? She's sweet, intelligent, blessed by Akhanda, and mostly she's carrying the whole story until Akhanda comes to save her. That we will watch in the movie.
Okay. Can I, if I say any dialogue, can you repeat that with your
Okay.
gesture and
Okay.
your thing?
I will
Okay.
try.
Okay. Don't trouble the trouble. If you trouble the trouble, trouble troubles you. I am not the trouble. I am truth. Say it in a warning way to the camera.
Okay. Don't trouble the trouble. If you trouble the trouble, trouble troubles you. And I am not the trouble. I am the truth.
Oh, cool. Sorry, this is going to be a Telugu dialogue, which is also Balaya sir's. So, flute jinka mundu udu, simha mundu kaadu.
Flute jinka mundu udu, simha mundu kaadu. Did I
Okay,
try?
fine. Thank you so much. Appreciate your trying, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
And I hope you get so many roles, like your dream role also.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.